In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E printer. This setup process will include installing ink cartridges, loading paper tray, doing the wireless setup and adding your printer to the smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. So let's start the setup process. Plug in the power cable and switch on the printer. So once we do that, go to the display panel. On the panel you have to select your language and confirm. Select the country of residence. It will ask you to go to the setup website for doing the further setup, but we are just going to do it using this display panel. Now the first step is to load the paper and also load the ink cartridges. So open the front panel, lift it up. Now the ink chamber will move automatically to the middle. Take the new ink cartridges and remove the packaging and also remove the seal by twisting it to one side, and just remove the seal from all of these ink cartridges. Installation is very easy. Just place the front on that section, match the alphabets, and once you install the front, push it from the back, so it will give a lock sound. That is yellow color. That's the K on, and the last one is our magenta. Once you install it, just push the door down, automatically it will close, and then you have to close the front door. Once you install the ink cartridge, next is to load the paper. So open the paper tray, load A4 size or letter size paper, or just the size using this blue handle. And close the tray. Paper is installed and click on the OK button. Ink cartridges are successfully installed. Press OK. Your printer needs alignment, so we will click on the align. Now wait for the alignment to start. So the paper output tray is here. So printer has printed the alignment page and we have to scan it. Open the lid and place it facing down on the upper right hand side corner, and then click on the scan icon. Alignment is successful. Press OK. Click on this question mark icon, and then you will see it says get HP software. Now click on the exit. Skip HP software, exit. Continue to set up date and time. So once you enter the correct date and time, then click on the continue. On the updates, scroll up and then click on the next. Select auto updates for your printer and save it. Press OK. You will see the main screen of your printer and we are ready to do the copy. Next step is to connect this printer with the home Wi-Fi. Now there are two methods. The first is using the display panel and the second is using the smartphone. So this is a new printer and I'm just going to use the smartphone. Go to the iPhone or Android phone and download the HP Smart app. You can download this from the App Store. In this app we have to add the printer, so click on the set up a new printer or click on the plus button on the top. On the next screen, select new printer. It will display HP OfficeJet Pro 8130E series, that is our printer. Select it. To connect your printer with the Wi-Fi network, make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi and click on the yes. Click on the next. Setup is complete. Click on the done. You will see the blue light on the printer panel is stable, that means printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. It may ask you to enter the pin of the printer, that is actually inside of the printer. If you open the ink chamber, on this sticker you will find the pin number and you have to enter the pin number that is written there. And click on the submit. Now close this. Select all printing services. Now you can also decline the optional data. On the next page, if you want, you can activate the HP Plus, or you can click on the do not activate and we can just decline it. Printer dynamic security notice. Click on the continue. On the next screen it will show you welcome to your HP account. If you want, you can just sign in into HP account and load the instant ink trial. If you don't want the automatic delivery, you can just click on the do not enable ink delivery and skip the offer or remind me later. Continue setup. We have already installed the ink and the paper. Select auto updates for your printer. Let's print the welcome sheet. If you want, you can send link to other devices, or you can just skip sending link. Setup is complete. Click on the all done and you will see main screen of your printer on this section, and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning from the app. So this way we can do the setup of the printer using the home or office Wi-Fi network and your smartphone and HP Smart app. Thanks for watching.